How to remove a collaboration on Instagram after posting on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove a collaborator from your post after it's already been shared. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, find the collaborative post you want to remove the collaboration from and tap on it to open it. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right of the post. Let me show you. In the next step, look for the option that says Edit to open the post editing screen. From there, look for the Collaborator section and tap on it to manage the collaboration. At this stage, tap on the collaborator's name and look for the cross option to remove collaborator. Following this, tap on Remove to confirm, and the collaboration tag will be removed from your post. Once done, tap on Done to save the changes, and your post will no longer show the collaboration tag. From here, if the Remove Collaborator option isn't showing up, it may be because the other person accepted the collaboration. In that case, you'll need to ask them to remove themselves from the post on their end. Here's an important note. If you want to completely remove the post from both profiles, the easiest option is to delete the post entirely. Tap on the three dots and tap on Delete. Keep in mind, this will remove it from both your profile and the collaborator's profile at the same time. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove a collaboration on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.